the convenience of smart lighting, power outlets, and voice assistants. In our rapidly advancing era, smart homes have become synonymous with unparalleled convenience, revolutionizing the way we interact with our living spaces. Among the myriad features that contribute to this transformation, 3 stand out as the keystones of modern home automation: smart lighting, smart power outlets, and voice assistants. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve into each of these innovations, unraveling their functionalities, and providing real-world examples that showcase their transformative power. 1. Smart lighting, illuminating your world with ease. Imagine a world where the simple utterance of a command or a tap on your smartphone screen transforms the ambiance of your living space. With smart lighting systems, this vision becomes a reality. These innovative systems empower you to control the lighting in your home effortlessly, offering a level of convenience that was once unimaginable. Example of use: consider a cozy evening at home. Instead of fumbling in the dark for the elusive light switch, imagine commanding, "Hey Alexa, set the living room lights to warm and dim." Instantly, your space is bathed in a soft, inviting glow, creating the perfect atmosphere for relaxation. With smart lighting, you can also schedule lights to mimic your daily routine, enhancing security by giving the appearance of an occupied home when you're away. 2. Smart power outlets, remote control and energy monitoring. Smart power outlets take the concept of control to a new level by allowing you to remotely manage any device plugged into them. Beyond mere convenience, these outlets offer a heightened sense of safety and efficiency in your home.
Example of use: picture this scenario. You've just left for work, and a nagging doubt creeps in. Did I turn off the iron? With smart power outlets, this worry becomes obsolete. Whip out your smartphone, open the dedicated app, and remotely switch off the power outlet connected to the iron. Not only does this prevent potential accidents, but it also contributes to energy conservation by eliminating unnecessary power consumption. 3. Voice assistants, your personal home concierge. Enter the realm of seamless interaction with your home through the magic of voice assistants. Whether it's Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple's Siri, these virtual companions respond to your verbal cues, transforming your home into a responsive and dynamic environment. Example of use: envision arriving home with your hands full of groceries. Instead of wrestling with keys and struggling to set down your bags, you simply say, "Hey Alexa, unlock the front door and turn on the lights." Your voice assistant complies, ensuring a well-lit and welcoming entry. Beyond the entrance, you can seamlessly control a plethora of devices, adjust the thermostat, start your favorite playlist, or even inquire about the weather, all achieved with the power of your voice. In conclusion, the convenience of smart lighting, power outlets, and voice assistants converges to redefine the modern living experience. As these technologies continue to evolve, the boundaries of what's possible within the confines of our homes will only expand. Embracing these innovations not only adds a layer of luxury to our lives but also enhances safety, energy efficiency, and overall well-being. The future of home automation is undoubtedly bright, and it's brilliantly illuminated by the seamless integration of smart lighting, power outlets, and voice assistants. Send us your questions today. Get the free answer from Dr. Interior Space and see you next time. Bye-bye.